In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your drafts in TikTok. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the TikTok application. And if I click on the plus icon in the bottom navigation, what I'm going to do is create a quick video to show you how this works. So I'm just going to record my screen here like so, and then we can click on next in the bottom navigation. Now to go and save this video to your drafts, obviously we just need to click on drafts in the bottom left hand side, and that's automatically going to be saved to this drafts folder. Now to access this, just make sure you're on your TikTok profile page, and your drafts folder should be at the very top of your profile. So if I click on this folder like so, it's going to show you all of the different drafts saved to your device. Now just bear in mind that your drafts are saved to your device and not to TikTok itself. So if you've uploaded a draft on your laptop, for example, it doesn't mean it's going to be showing here on your mobile. So from this window, you can just go and click on any of your drafts, and then you can continue the editing process and you can go and publish this as you would a regular TikTok. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.